I am Rachel Kent. I am the project-based learning coach for the ISD, so I basically get into all grade levels, all classrooms, implementing real-world projects in their already standing curriculum. So I have third grade teams for Reese Puffer Elementaries as well as Orchard View Elementaries that are embedded in Salmon in the Classroom project this year. And they are working with the DNR as well as other wildlife biologists around the concept of water conservation. How do we keep our fresh waterways healthy and clean? And it's part of their language arts curriculum, so the kids will be researching and learning about water conservation while raising salmon in the classroom, and then eventually launch the salmon into the Muskegon River. So there's a lot of empathy skills that the kids develop with using project-based learning or 3P learning. There's a lot of developing ideas around career opportunities in the future, as well as collaborative learning, group talks, Socratic dialogue and questioning, and a lot of just inquiry into their content, but seeing how the content is also integrated with each other. You know, the most fulfilling part of my job is not just seeing how this impacts students and it brings joy and relevance to their learning, but how it has transformed teachers as well. I'm pretty busy, so I have 2 children, a 10 and a 12-year-old, boy and girl, so they keep me very busy. We do lots of activities outdoors, especially all summer long, many mile bike rides on a daily basis. I coach as well for the community college, so very active in coaching, trying to lead and live a healthy lifestyle is a big priority to me. And then, you know, getting together with not just my immediate family, with my husband and children, but our extended family, nieces and nephews, and making sure my children get to know all of those aunts and uncles and grandparents that live, you know, a couple hours away.